Hi Tamjid, been a long time. Of course, yeah, we spoke on my birthday last week, but it's been a while since we spoke about diamonds in details. So how are you?
Very well, thank you very much. How are things there? I heard it's raining down there, right?
Yes, it's been raining. The work's coming along well, just that it'll be good if it's sunny back again. Hopefully it'll be sunny by the time you're here in Mumbai for IIJS. You're going to be here on 1st, right?
We're going to be in Mumbai on the 1st, and we're going to be there all the way through to the end of the exhibition on the 7th.
Fabulous. So what are your expectations from IIJS Premiere?
The expectations are always high, and it's getting higher by the day. We see that every exhibition that takes place in Mumbai nowadays, or in India in general, as in Jaipur, in South India, in Mumbai, in other places, there is always something new in there for us to see, new adventures, new ventures as well, with new suppliers and new manufacturers, which adds definitely to our portfolio of variety of jewelry from India.
Great. So for consumers and prospects whom you're going to be meeting at IIJS, tell us what makes you stand out and what USPs would you like to pre-share with them with the help of this video before you meet them.
I take you back to Jawhara Jewellery. We are the oldest jewelry company in the Middle East. Our history goes back to 1907, and again, we were the creators of Dallas Jewelry since 1977, all the way till 2013, where we had to do a final sale for the company. Yet we created the Jawhara company. Again, as I said, the jewelry business in our genes. So today, what makes us stand out? What makes us, I would say, a destination for a consumer is the constant innovation that takes place in our company. We have every fortnight some new launch of a new collection that goes to our retail outlets. At the same time, we maintain the concept of that our old generations planted in our philosophy of conducting the business, which is value for money. Today, I am very happy to sell you an item today for a certain amount where has the value in it. Like, you don't come in a certain day, say, I want to sell it back, I will take it for half price or whatever. No, it's always, we sell every product with basically a contract on the invoice. In the back of the invoice, we have a contract between us and the consumer that gives them the extra confidence that what I'm buying here has the value for it.
So as you know, we love to celebrate festivals and occasions in India. So as we wrap it up, in conclusion, could you tell us about all the preparations you undertake for consumers in India with respect to the occasions and festivals in India?
Again, we always get prepared for the IIJS or any exhibition, jewelry exhibition that takes place in any part of India. Reason being is there is always occasions in a sequence. Today, we are a company that generates a collection for every occasion. Like the Mother's Day, the Arab Mother's Day, the British Mother's Day, the Far Eastern Mother's Day, the Valentine's, our Eid occasions, 2 occasions, the Diwali, the Kshatriya, most of the occasions that are there during the calendar of the year calendar, we create some collection to suit that segment, that occasion, that customers would be happy to buy and obtain and retain it to the next generation.
Awesome! Well, thank you, Tamjid, for sharing your thoughts. All the very best for IIJS.
Thank you very much. And again, like I said earlier, IIJS for us is a destination for getting something new or creating along with some of the manufacturers, some new ideas and new developments for our company.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Take care.
Thank you very much. Thank you again very much. Thank you, India. Thank you, IIJS.